Hello friends, this is the first lovely day since a very long time, and I decided to come to the women's market in Sofia. This is the oldest market. I don't have any special plans. I want to buy a few things, maybe some veggies, fruits, grab something to eat, and of course you're invited to join me. Located close to the square of religious tolerance, the ancient city of Serdica and Lions Bridge, the women's market or Ženski Pazar is the oldest and most functional marketplace in the Bulgarian capital. Ženski Pazar was established in 1878, shortly before the liberation from the Ottoman rule. The open market grew rapidly and became a trade center of great significance throughout the 20th century and until the present day. The shop owner saw me with the camera and invited me to film inside. He told me that a famous vlogger came to his shop a couple of years ago, and this has attracted a lot of foreign customers. The man is a third-generation craftsman, and most of the pottery is handmade by him and his brother.
Типичното е тази шарка.
Точно така, типичното, или казано на наш език, капка сълза. Щастлива сълза.
Да, добре, благодаря. И какво? Те се ползват за разни меса, такива.
Да, това е мастер шефа за България.
Да.
Пълният абсолютният шампион за всички времена.
Да.
Слагаш каквото и да сложиш, вътре винаги става вкусно.
А как се казва магазина?
Магазина се казва Грънци.
Грънци.
Тук е този магазин и другия също Грънци. Те са два магазина, фактически един магазин, но разделен на две.
Да.
Това ни е най-стария майстор, който е един от основателите на женския пазар.
Така ли?
Еленко Димитров, който е дядо на моята съпруга. Да, аз съм трето поколение, но не съм от това, но аз се научих да правя.
Да. Вие ли ги правите?
Да, и брат ми. В Троян също, да. Но аз правя така, една част от тях, другата брат ми, и ни помагат и наши колеги от Троян.
Дали е женски пазар, защото тук са се продавали булки?
Ще ви обясня. Не са се продавали булки.
Не продавали смисъл да намерят подходящ.
Аз ще ви обясня за какво става въпрос. Цялата история е в следното. Млади момичета и не толкова млади, зависи в какво положение са в момента. Имало едни през седмицата, в които са идвали тук и така са се нареждали, да кажем, или са стояли в едно место и са идвали по-богатите българи, чорбаджи, и са се избирали девойки за къщна работа. На уважение. А това са вече отдела.
Чорапи.
Да ти кажа, на малко места могат да намерят. Ръчно правени, машинно правени.
Да.
Има от всякакви варианти.
Само дет не има сезона сега.
A good pair of woolen socks is worth its weight in gold. They are perfect for the winter and can be worn even throughout other seasons if you have a country house or if you have hobbies like hunting or fishing. Before I move on, I would like to explore the other shop, Grănci. It looks interesting because it sells souvenirs, folklore dresses, and due to its authentic atmosphere, it became a spot for shooting a scene from the new Bulgarian criminal series called Alpha. This is another shop that belongs to the man. And you see, these are like folklore dresses from Bulgaria. Bulgarian folklore costumes are diverse, and every region in the country has its distinct style of traditional clothing. The garments are embroidered with patterns that are made not only for decoration purposes, they are ancient motifs passed down from generation to generation. Отвънка са тези, които са България, на които пише България. Аз тях ще ги погледна. На 20 лева. Благодаря ви много. 3 домачи, защо трябва е тук да го нося и да не вземе да стане на 90 стотинки. И една малка краставичка.
Това са тикток?
Не. За... Колко казваш?
1,20.
Ами не за Ирландия, за YouTube. По принцип канал е ирландски, да.
Ама смисъл, коя е темата?
Темата е пътувания, такива интересни места в града.
В Ирландия?
В момента съм в България, така че тук. Пребройте си, аз ги събрах да се отърват стотинки. Да, благодаря ви. The women's market is definitely among the hidden spots in Sofia because here you can mix with the locals, and at the same time it's a multicultural place where the merchants are not only from Bulgaria. There are a lot of merchants from the Middle East and from Turkey, except for the fresh veggies, fruits, fish, meat, nuts and other products. You can also buy some exotic spices and other goods. So I really love coming here and sampling different kind of food. For example, recently I've been to the Afghan Restaurant, which is situated very close to the market. 1 week ago I went to the Afghan restaurant Khala Sara Foods and I ordered a few things to try. A piece of stuffed flatbread called bolani, that was actually my favorite, a portion of dumplings with mincemeat, and a cold yogurt drink with cucumber. The drink reminded me of the Bulgarian yogurt soup, but the flavor was different because instead of dill they used mint. If you explore the small streets that cross the market, you are going to see the style of the old city architecture. The buildings look charming, but they desperately need to be renovated. When you walk down those streets that sell the spices, you can actually smell freshly grinded spices, and it's like a smell of the Orient. The market area is also known as being the quarter of the Arab immigrants. The shop across is Kurdish, and further down we can see 2 renovated buildings from 1911. The final landmark I want to show you is the Orthodox Church St. Cyril and Methodius. This video is a tribute to my mother for the 30th anniversary since she crossed into the light.